Do you know that when you yawn, it's actually contagious? Yep, even thinking about yawning might make you do it. Psychologists believe this happens because yawning is linked to empathy. When you see someone yawn, your brain subconsciously wants to mimic them, as if you're emotionally connecting. Ever notice that the more you try not to yawn, the more you end up yawning? It's like your brain's way of saying, I dare you not to. So next time you catch someone yawning, try not to yawn. It's nearly impossible, right? Have you ever been caught in a yawn chain? Let us know in the comments.